What's good, family? It's your boy Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and I'm hoping everybody is having a blessed day today. Of course, I had to come back and drop another play as promised. Today is particular for the eBay sellers, and you want to increase your bottom line. Now, if you're already an eBay seller and you have a particular product and you have a lot of that product, so you get it in bulk and basically you have a connection to where you have almost an unlimited supply of that product, this is how you can increase your money or your bottom line for that product. This is a trick that I use all the time and it works, guys. It works. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so what you need to do is make sure you have a lot of sales of that product. So never let that listing end. So what I do, so I lock books together. So I do kids books on eBay. So if I have a lot of 40 random kids books or 50 random kids books, I'll make sure to put the quantity out higher than what I have in stock because I know I'll get more in. I never want that listing to end because I want the customers to see the amount of sold, okay? So let's talk transparent. Let's just say I had a lot of 40 random kids books, okay? I put that in the lot together. Let's just say they're selling for $29, okay? Now, initially, when I had that lot of 40 kids books, I dropped the price down to $20. Why? Because I wanted to get a lot of sales. I may even sold some of them for 18 bucks. I usually do that price or best offer, okay? So I would sell them, boom, 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 till I sold over 50 to 100 of those lots. Now, once eBay buyers can see that, hey man, this is a hot product, I made sure to deliver on time and gave great customer service if they had ever had any issues. So what eBay does is under your listing, they will show the amount sold and customer satisfaction. So I had an amount sold of 50 to 100 and it showed beside it 100% buyer satisfaction. So remember, I had my price at 20, then I increased my price to $39.99 or best offer. And I know people saying, well, that's way too high. Remember, you have best offer, okay? So $39.99 and they come through, they're gonna say, man, the eBay buyers, they're not gonna be thinking about what the prior sold price was. They're gonna look at what your price is now. So for $39.99 or best offer, they're gonna see 50 to 100 sold and 100% buyer satisfaction, guys. So when they see that price, it's going to entice them or motivate them to buy at that $39.99. And if they don't, let's just say they offer $34.99 or $30.99, that's still $10 or $15 over what you had them priced at the $20 or the $18. So guys, this is a trick that I've been using over the years and it has increased my bottom line on each of the products that I had in bulk. So make sure to go out and try it today. I'm proof that it works. And I mean, what do you have to lose? Go out and do your research. I know I'm just a guy, like I always say, from YouTube. You don't know me from a can of paint, but just try it, experiment with it, and let me know down in the comments if it works. Again, if y'all found any part of this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to get this channel up so we can make sure that we get it out to as many people as possible and help as many people as possible. And if you hadn't already, my new IG page is a little weak. Go follow me at Travis_GWV. Guys, I'm out. I'll see you next time with another play. Let's go. Leave a legacy.